USA Mobile Drug Testing of Northeast Ohio is a full-service compliance company where we specialize in helping your company manage its compliance and drug-free workplace program. We do this by providing all types of drug testing, point-of-collection testing, lab-based testing, using urine testing, oral fluid testing, hair testing, alcohol testing, DNA testing, fingerprints, anything that you can think of that will help you manage your drug-free workplace program. And we come on site to do that, and we're available 24/7, 365. If you have a random drug testing program, USA Mobile Drug Testing of Northeast Ohio can completely help you manage that from beginning to end. The way we do that is by getting your roster, loading it into our secure database, pulling the names relative to your specific needs, whether it's a regulated or non-regulated program, and then we set up a date. We come directly to you to perform those services for drug and alcohol testing. There are quite a few benefits to using the services of USA Mobile Drug Testing of Northeast Ohio, but just to elaborate on a few of them, they include the fact, again, that we come on site and we're available 24/7, 365. So what that means to you as an employer is several-fold. It means that you're increasing your productivity because you're not sending someone off-site and paying them to go off-site. You're decreasing your liabilities by, again, not sending someone off-site where possibly they could get into an accident. You're going to get very quick results, especially if we're doing instant or point-of-collection testing and alcohol testing right there on the spot. If you have a concern about reasonable suspicion drug or alcohol use at the workplace with one of your employees, what you can do is call USA Mobile Drug Testing immediately upon realizing that you have a concern. You've pulled that employee off their job, you have them in an office or a conference room, and we'll be on our way immediately to come to your facility to do the drug and alcohol testing right there.